Hello there everyone, I hope you're all fine. So in this tutorial we are going to learn how to add Calendly to WordPress. So without further ado, let's get started. So you need to open Calendly and you will see an interface like this. Now what you will need to do is you need to click on this settings option here, as you can see. And now you can see an option called add to website. Simply click on that. And now here is asking you for, it is giving you three options how you want to add Calendly to your site. If you want to inline embed or you want to make a pop-up widget or you want a pop-up text. I'm just going to go with inline embed. You can choose any of it and simply click on continue. And as you can see, it has given us a code. Don't worry, you don't need to write any code here. Okay, so simply you just need to click on copy code. And our code has been copied. Now simply click on close. Now we will come on our WordPress website and you need to come here on appearance section and then click on widget. Okay, once you click on widget, simply click on this add button here. Now search for HTML. Simply click on it, paste the code that I have copied previously, and now just click on preview. And as you can see, we have successfully added Calendly to WordPress. And there you go. That's it for today guys. Hope you found the video beneficial. Feel free to ask any questions in the comment section. See you soon. Have a good day.